In this quick tutorial, I'll teach you how you can work with color isolation in Canva, even changing the color of some objects, all for free. Let's go. To start, you only need an image that you want to isolate the colors. So having that, just click on the image, go to Edit, and click Image again. This window will open, and to do this absolutely for free, you just have to click on Adjust, and now you see the select area. You can select by clicking the area you want to isolate, brushing, foreground or background. In this case, let me show you how easy this is when we select the background. Now Canva is selecting that for us, okay? And if you want to isolate her, making the background black and white, as you saw in the introduction, you just have to scroll down to color. And now we're going to increase the vibrance to 100% and decrease the saturation to 100%. This is the way I like to leave the black and white, but you can still work with some different adjustments in the light. If you want the background to be even darker, you can go to brightness, for instance, and you see what I'm doing. You can reduce its brightness. But I like the way it is. Actually, I'll leave it like this. But you see, you can just apply different changes here for making this effect in the background, okay? When you're done, just click here on the close button and then you have it. Let me show you something different with a different image now. Same process, just remember to click on it, edit an image, and in the adjustments, now we are going to select the foreground. So when an image is very clear like this, Canva AI can identify the background and foreground. But if you have a crowded image, this might not work as you're seeing right now. And let's say you want to change one color in isolation. Just let's say you want to change the color of her jumper. Then you click on the color. And here you will see that you can change that color in isolation when you do like that, okay? And again, you can still change here some other values like the saturation, okay? You can make it brighten as well. You can change stuff in here the way you like. I have to tell you that not always this function works 100%. In most of the cases it does, but the image has to be clear enough for you to be able to work on those colors with isolation. This was a quick tutorial and I hope this was helpful for you.